Hello everyone, today we're gonna open and build this 2024 LEGO Despicable Me 4 set Minions and Banana Car. So this is the smaller set from the wave and I can't open and build this. Make sure you stay to the end because we're going to take a detailed look after we finish building this set. Now before we open this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. So let's get started and open it. And now we have finished building the Minions and Banana Car. So this set just only have the car, or the other thing is just the minifigures and accessories. So we're gonna just start from individual minifigure and then get to the car in the end. First we have another Mega Minion. So this is the Mega Minion Dave. He's you can see he's holding up some weight here. Obviously he has been working out. That's why he's kind of a lot more bigger than the typical minion. So if I put another minion next to him, you can see how big he is. So it's hollow inside. It's still the same two parts. You got a stud above to add some headgear or hairpiece if you want to, and it's a pretty cool mini figure. Next, we have Mel. If you have been buying the previous Minion set, you won't be surprised on what makes Mel up. And he has the accessory of a painting board and a paintbrush. And of course, you get to build this banana painting. Next, we have AVL team here. So Tim appears in another set, but this one has an exclusive torso I wonder if this is no, this is different. This is with the AVL staff badge here, and then he has a remote control on his drone, and this is a pretty cool thing. So you can actually remove his eyes and then put on the goggle, and then remove his hair to put on the propeller on top of his head like this. And supposedly he can, control himself to be flying around like this. Finally, we have Pete Krill Ron. So this is a minion, wearing all the clothes, and this is exclusive to this set. It's got very lovely printing on the torso. He's pretty much the mechanic of the banana car, and then he has this table here with, I don't know what this bottle is, but pretty much this has been spilled, and they're using this piece here, and this is quite a big spill, and he also has a cap. So the way that you put a cap onto the minion is that you have a stud here that allows you to put the cap on. It's a pretty cool mini figure. Now we take a look at the banana car. So it actually create the banana pretty well. Obviously, the middle part kind of replaced with the seat. You get this flaming engine here, which you can remove quite easily. But I suggest you keep this on. Otherwise, to be honest, if you remove the engine and then you remove the back of the banana, it kind of look awkward. Plus, with this table here, and then if you kind of put it this way, and then take a picture from this angle, then it looks extra awkward. Anyway, this is the Minions and Banana Cast set. I actually quite like this set at 35 New Zealand dollars without any discount, with 132 six pieces, and get 4 Minions. It's actually a pretty good deal. And the banana car looks pretty cool, although there will be some awkward moments depending on how pure your thoughts are. While you can see this as a Minions army building battle pack, but unfortunately, only one Minion figure has the standard Minion torso. So, if you want to build an army, I would suggest you buy the party bus instead of this one. I would still recommend this set to you if you're a fan of the Minion, though. Do let me know what you think about this set in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, again, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like, and then I'll see you next time.